a picture. Sige. Sa ito lang mga huna dito na. Hindi na lang ako magtawag pag nagalita. Ano ba na sa picture? Klaro naman. Oo, klaro naman kayo. Sige, unsa ba na sa picture? Ako makita na ay bata, na ay bata, sabi, na ay bata lang, pinananin. Diba? Kung sa pwede na ma-describe ka, daghan kayo ma-describe dito mo, kung patuwa mo mo, 100, 200 din na yung 4, kaya hindi yung nagdang palabuan. Nung kinaghan kayo makita nilang kapita. So, sa inyo ko na muna na lang na ituwa sa kanyang kasi, o nga na sila din na, nga nang gunaw na lang yung anak ang picture, o sa may purpose anak niya. Okay, again. Kanan siya nga picture, it shows that the child development goes beyond academic and includes physical, emotional, social, moral, and spiritual growth. Diba actually, the picture is wala. Classroom na outside. Okay. So nagpasabot ini nga ang holistic nga paglangko sa bata dili lamang naglangko sa akademiko. Apan, apil sa ang physical, emotional, social, moral, o spiritual. Now, balikan mo, what then is holistic child development? What's the kind of holistic child development? Holistic child development means helping a child grow in all areas, meaning mind, body, heart, values, and spirit. So they become balanced and well-rounded individuals. Okay. So sabi ko lang pa, ang word na holistic nagpasabot kung tibuo o pito nga nagtanaw sa kanal na aspito sa pagtubo o paglanggo sa bata, dili lang sa ilang klase o academic, kundi apil ang physical, apil ang emotional, apil ang social, apil ang moral, o apil ang spiritual na bahin. Wala lang ang academic lang, hindi ko na siya inside the floor of the classroom. Inala niya ang holistic child development. Now, take a look at this picture. Alright? This is the holistic child development picture. As you can see, asa natin sa kabutang ang bata. Nabasa niyo o nabasa nga? Asa? Lagi buhay, lagi tayo nagsikin, magbukol mo nito. Sige na, pagkabukol na ito, kinagintay na asa natin ang bata. Naasa? Naasa tunga. Ano naasa sa tunga? Wala na silid. Kaya ibukas na rin ang tunga, ma. Mayroon ko? Ano na rin ang silid? Diling guys. Because if the sun is the center of the solar system, and all the planets revolve around it, so is in the holistic child development, the child is the center. And all the holistic aspects of holistic child development revolve around the child that is at the center. Amen? Also ba ng mga aspects of child development? Alright, balik ka din. Number 1 na lang. Kung sa ko that's cognitive thinking and learning. Under the cognitive, you have thinking, panghuna-huna, o gaya sa makakon. Physical, kaningay, kuwan, kanisya ay kanin. That's health and fitness. Emotional, social relationships and empathy. Develop spiritual and moral values, and the world of character and values. So, what
na itong balik ko. Di na itong balik. Dili na.
Body and development of motor skills. High, ang iyong weight, yung muscle and strength, physical na, natural, yung coordination and the ability to move, like running. Mga kung bata na to, kadagdag na to, lagi na PE. Mga PE teacher, usupin na padagdagan. Diba? Yan, mga sila natin sa PE uniform. Kaya gamito mo niya na sa ilang math teacher. Kay partner niya di ay sa pag-develop na po sa bata na ang kanyang artito ato ang mahagag sa bata. So, dili na ang PE uniform, dili na ang PE lang. Kung dili, gamito mo na siya. So, kay partner niya sa development sa usa ka bata. Okay? Nahimo na itong mga teacher na. Sinedevelop nila na sa inyong mga anak. Okay. Next, we have cognitive. Cognitive. Kanyang cognitive, nag-involve na sa how children think. Magaduhan na kayo sa kung saan ang sakto, ang kauna. Learn. Masakto ang iyang pagkakon. Ang iyong sa cognitive ang remembering and solving problems. So it includes language development. It includes memory. It includes reasoning. Kadang bata may rason. In a good way. And understanding concepts like numbers and time. Addition, so that's all. Pray. Pray to know. Yeah. Gino tayo, kung ikaw na ay duha ka baboy, kung ako na ay duha ka baboy, sinipulo na to ang atong duha ka baboy, kung sabay ka! Gino tayo mata, fiesta. Fiesta? Pero hindi nga na atong mga bata at bangka to, mag-birth at atong mga bata at bangka. Tulad ko ito, for dili fiesta. Okay? Next, we have social development. Kaning social development, this is how children learn to interact with others. It includes forming relationships, best friends, and then sharing ideas, and cooperating the group work, and following rules, and understanding social norms. Kung paano ng social norms? Kanyang social norms that tells us what is acceptable and what is unacceptable. For example, naghahagad nito. Tulungan na bata. Thank you. Yaman ako kayo. Welcome. Yan ay naging niya. Buong na dapat naging niya. Ayaw ka doon na. Call or light up the call is time. First come, first serve. Linya ka. May sakto yan ang social norm. Then, another example of social norm is speaking politely to others. Very polite. Then, another example of social norm is wearing appropriate clothes. Marikat isilahan. Bakit ano mo sige kung unsay dapat isuot ato nga sa school? Dili mag-bikini of course. Dili po ka na mukha kayo. Dili lang sa tuhod. Usos naman. Wala po spaghetti. Abata tanawa lang yan nyo na sa gate bibilit. Kung unsay mga appropriate wearing. O appropriate na isuot sa school, sa church, o sa pangpahing institution. Okay. Kung ano ba nga may social norms? Why is it that social norms matter? Why? Because they help people live together happily. Because there is order. Social norms in order. And they teach respect, responsibility, and cooperation. All right. emotional, by the way, dear parents, this is very important. This is the ability to understand, express, and manage feelings. It includes developing self-confidence, empathy, emotional regulation, and coping with stress and frustration. Why is it very important? We need to teach children to cope up stress, to cope up frustration. Para why bata na magsipon, why bata na masakitan, why bata na mag-frustrate. Kaya kung mag-frustrate ang bata, una-ana sa aspect of development is nawala na. Because one of the aspects of development of child is the emotional development. If frustrated ang bata, wala mo na aspect, simbakot, may kabok, diha nakita ang atong failure. As parents, as teachers, as educators. So, kaning emotional development, very important. So, we need to be sure to cope up by encouraging them to talk about their feelings. Natin sa ipamili, ina dyan istorya, dahil istorya dyan doon. Ayaw kung kuma ang imong gibati, kay mubuto ibunya na. Share your feelings. Modeling patience, understanding sa emotional development, and calmness. Kalma lang. Hindi palagi kasuko. Kalma lang. Tulungan na to on how to be calm. They're showing ways to relax. May problema, relax lang. Tungo na ka. Inhale. Exhale. Anak lang. Tulungan na to. Inhale, exhale. Then, ato na i-praise ang bata tungkol sa iyang achievement. Oh, very good. Nice, kaya ka do. Very good, kaya ka din na pizza. Keep up the good work. Because when you praise, minsan ka lang feeling na, ikaw kaya i-praise, may praise ka, how much more ang bata? So, ato na siya i-cultivate na attitude na ang bata na ito, ato ang i-praise. Very good. Keep up the good work. Sunod-sunod ha? Naghilap niya kay gamay na yung score. Hindi na lang po na. Better luck next time. Sunod na lang at ang galingan. Next time na lang, magtuon na din lapita ka. Okay na nga, it's okay. Don't worry. Everything is under control. There is still tomorrow. Tomorrow. We can still do it. Do it better. Okay? Oh, as long as there is tomorrow, then everything is gonna be alright. Okay? Success! Then you have moral development, padayon na lang pa, sunod, pinakalas, creative development. Okay? Paano creative development? Ito pinisa, develop sa future, i-develop sa bata. Kaya wala na suwat, under sa creative development, nasa mga poem, nasa storytelling. Ang storytelling, ito na siya i-develop under sa creativity. Wala din bata, once upon a time, in a magical land of green heaven, where the trees flow and the flowers blow, there lived three best friends. Pip the Piney, and Ali, the adorable bunny. Oh, ito yung bata na. Wala pa yan sa tupon na yung tulungan na mag-storytelling sa class. Oh, with question. Para po sa mga costume. Nakuha ng dahon niya. Ayaw ka ba sa dako? Diba? Kaya ano? Ano i-develop? Because that is part of the holistic child development. One of the aspects of holistic child development is creative development. Creativity. Okay. Well, let's move on forward. Next. Okay, mga dito nga picture that child is the center because all aspects of development revolve around him. It emphasizes that every area, cognitive, physical, emotional, social, moral, Sige, padayon ka. Okay, kanya siya mo rin support sa complete holistic child development. Dialogue Marketing, would you like to read? Napagano ko, malusog mo, palimusog ba sa mga kakaroon ka dili? Unaisip ako ipabasa sa atong master teacher na si Ma'am Lucila Buo. Because, kaya siya mga example na complete holistic child development. Okay, Ma'am Lucila, thank you so much. Kaya ako sa natin, natukuan niyo yung lang iguang ako, nalabasa ako na. Piuwan niya mayo sa math of science sa committee or apa natin mo sub-support, so that's physical. Kabalong control kaya emotion, that's emotional. Makigupan o respetado sa iyang mga kaupan, so social usap. Batinatalo sa responsable sa iyang mga bungat, so moral slash value. O nag-ampo o nagpakita o dito sa espiritual na pagtuo. So, holistic development of a child. Thank you, Ma'am Lucille. Thank you so much, Ma'am Lucille. So, klaro ito ha. Mga sa example sa Junay Bata na nandito dyan ang holistic child development. Okay, let's move on forward. Now, why is a strong partnership between teachers and parents essential in achieving holistic child development? Everybody from the group. Ngayon naman, importante nga, mag-partner na ka, parents and teachers, sa pag-develop sa holistic child development, sa bata, pagbuo sa bata. Ngayon man, importante. Okay, importante siya. Because, kanawan niyo ka ba ang higala o naisla plus family equal children success. Alright? So, ang teacher ka, more you guide to learning, more you provide support, more you change sa classroom environment. Kaya ka na plus 9, ha? That symbolizes collaboration. Everybody say collaboration. Collaboration. Very good. Kanang plus 9. Then, kanang daghan na ba na family na sila? Na si mama, si papa, mga bata. Then, kanang we're going to start. That symbolizes children's success. Alright. So, now, ang teacher plus parents equals successful children. Next. Alright. Sa Bisaya pa, ang Bisaya matulungan at pakita ng pagtinagpangay sa silahan o sa balay ng suma sa malampusoy o well-rounded na bata. May pasapot ako na teacher. Now next, doon na tayo ikaw si teacher, get a shake of hands. You're my brother, give me your hand. I love you, brother, give me your hand. It was rainbow. Ano rainbow na turn? Teachers, that's partnership and collaboration. Then, nagdaghan din sa kapal, that's the family, that's the parents. Needs to bright futures for children. And that is the goal. The goal to let our children have that future that we deserve, the bright future. So what does kumplito ang aspito atong i-develop? Next, put together, ato siya nga formula, ato siya nga picture. Teachers collaborating with families, creating bright futures for children. O, diba? So, ano yung mga isla? Makipag-partner iya. Kulang, kinahanglan ka namo tungod kay kulang ako. Kulang ka. Ay, diba? Kulang ako kung wala ka. Nakakatalaga. So, ano ang collaboration pa? Because we look not at our own intellect, but also to the intellect of others. As First Corinthians chapter 2, verse 4. We look not at our own intellect, but also to the intellect of others. Kanang ato sila, ato na si katawa sa mga bata. We look not at our own intellect, but at the needs, at the growth, and the potential of the children we serve. Amen? Amen. Next. Why? Not naman ay why. Kita ko pa na ako. Ask me why. Talaga hindi ko kita why. Ano pa why? Why? Let the sun go on shining. Ay, baliwan. Ask me why. Because we believe that our children are our future. Okay? I believe the children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty to possess inside. Oy, nothing more beauty to possess inside. All you have to do is to develop them. Ano na mga develop them? Ano di ko sila manjawag na ganyan. O diba? Ayaw mga tao pastor na lino sa bagong. O diba di na magsisikon. Uy, mga bata na, bright na. Next. Number 1. To support child's learning. Ayun pa ni. Number 2, solve problems early. Mga nagkulang na. Para kung may problema sa mga bata, ay, dali lang mag-qualify. Kaya kung wala collaboration, ang mama ng bata, ang mama ng Marisa, nagkukot na, kaya ngayon lang anak, huwag pabilang tayo. Kaya yun, ha? Ibayad ako 100 para sa class. Nga mo ako anak, wala na natin sayang. Ikaw na. Wala. Ikaw na. Wala plan lang ba? O sige, pagpunta na na. Wala na. Kung saan na mo? Tingnan na po. Ow. There are so many ways to kill the chicken. So many ways. Kung saan. Sabi. Naghapan na siya. So sila mo masyadwa. We enforce careers. Provide consistent guidance. Ensure that the child grows academically, socially, and emotionally. And lastly, we believe that children are our future. Teach them well and let them lead the way. Show them all the beauty we possess inside. These are the beauty of God. See the child not as they are, but as the wonder they are meant to become. And let love help them rise. Guma! Pulangkit! Ibaan na Guma! Dito suko! Amen! Ay, salamat na pa! Ano mo? Ano din? Mahigumang sila ko! Uy! Salamat sa guma! Guma na bakit? Uy! Because this learning is first day! Uy! Pagkito mo! Love! Next! This learning are enough! They are enough! So let them light and let them carry hope into tomorrow. Ayaw ka sa ilang light. Ayaw ka makalimutan. Ignite the fire. Because within them are the qualities that we possess. That have the qualities that we possess. Kung nagdapat ang i-develop, hindi na itong pagkong na ako sa sumat. Ngayon mo ang mga person. Ano ba nila? Ayaw, anak. Ayaw, hindi ko maayaw. Bakit ma? Next. To reveal a child's inner beauty is to give them a gift that will echo through gift of love. The gift of love because in 1 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 8 it says, love never fails. Love never fails. Love will never fail. That's understandable. Faithful or happiness meaning. And love, this is a fail. Never, never, never. That is written in the Bible. Okay? What children remember is the safety. Safety. Home and school should be the place where a child feels safe to fail. Because love never fails. Love never fails. But it's okay to fail. You don't have to kill yourself because you failed. You did not pass. No. That's a big no-no. Nga naman, huwag sa gitma na di ako masagit.
Home and school should be a safe place where children can make mistakes and still feel loved, accepted, and supported. Dili ka mo ma-feel siya. Basta pa dili ka mo mayo. Pero ako kasi istorya ni Gumag na saba. Mga saba kanila. Kanita mo ang istoryahis niya. Nanong di ka saba na siya. Magpanal ganito. Di ka mo ang istorya siya. Nanong napinalag siya. But don't you know, parents and teachers, they are not the whole story. They are not the whole story. Okay? They are not the whole story. We all know someone who had high grades but struggled later in life. We all know someone magna cum laude, graduated summa cum laude, pag wala ka pa sa board exam, nag-hipod. Diba? Hindi anak. Atong in-nurture ang resilient spirit. Resiliency is the key. Next, and we all know someone who struggled in school. 75 ang grado. 75 sa math, 75 sa English, 75 sa math. Pero natin sa Pilipinas, ilang pa dito, 75 ang grado. Pero tanawa sila pa na 95. Bakit? What about English? True, this is the reality in life. Okay? Next. Grades open doors, but character decides what happens next. Character decides what happens next. So, importante nyo i-build together ang character. Ang atong pang-saktong pamagasan. The way we speak to our children becomes the voice we carry inside. Speak with love. Speak with love. When a child brings home a little question here, what happened? What happened? Okay, it's okay. But then guess what? Let's try again. Instead of, so the lesson is learned, but the child's dignity stays intact. Next, discipline and compassion. Discipline ang nagkinagkaluloy. A child who believes only because they are afraid will behave differently when no one is watching. But a child guided with love learns to choose what is right even when alone. Even when the child is alone. So together, let us train a child in the way he should go. So God representative